After you watch the Edpuzzle on connective tissues, you are going to complete this case study about a young woman named Flo Hyman, who was a world-famous volleyball player. She had an undiagnosed condition known as Marfan syndrome. And in the middle of a game in 1986, she sadly collapsed and died at the age of 31. So in this activity, you are going to look at some of her symptoms and her cause of death. You're going to look at some samples of normal connective tissue slides and Marfan syndrome connective tissues and explain some differences. Then you're going to explain how a disease in connective tissue can lead to all sorts of symptoms that are characteristic of Marfan syndrome. If you have any questions on this assignment, please feel free to send me an email.